Hello friends, my name is Aman Sharma. Today we are going to start the next exercise, that is 21st B. So before that we have to understand what is cross section. Suppose this is a cuboid. If we cut this cuboid at any point perpendicular to the surface, so for example this cross section is given, so this means this is a perpendicular to this cuboid. So this surface is known as cross section. So if we cut here, then two face we will get, that face A and face B. Same way, if this is a cylinder, if we cut any cylinder perpendicularly, then what we will get at face A, there will be two faces, face A and face B, that are like this, face A, face B. If we cut here, so these are cross section of this particular cylinder. So any material, for example this book, if I cut this book perpendicularly here, so on this side of, so this side we will get, for example here, so this side, this 90-degree side we will get this straight side as cross section. Now when we find the cross section, if we multiply cross section with the entire length, what we will get? We will get the volume of that particular solid. If we multiply cross section by the entire length, we will get volume of the solid. Now if we multiply perimeter of this cross section with the length, what we will get? We will get the surface area. So surface area of that particular solid. Surface area excluding cross section is perimeter of cross section multiplied by length. Okay, the surface area we have calculated will not include this cross section face, this side and also that side. So these two sides, these two cross sections will not be included in the surface area. Remaining we will get the surface area of whole solid. This is cross section. Okay, now question number 1. Following figure shows a solid of uniform cross section. Find the volume of the solid. All measurements are in centimeter. Assume that all angles are right angle. So this is your particular solid, and so lengths and dimensions are given. This is 9, this is 6. So we have to find the volume of this particular solid. So this is your particular solid. I have tried to make like this. We will cut this solid into two parts. So if I cut from here, so now we are having two cuboids, one this one and one this one. So this cuboid is having height 9, width 3 and length 4. So volume is equal to 9 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 plus this cuboid, its cuboid. Now this is the length 6, width 3 and this length, or we can say height, this will be 4. So just multiply these two. So here 12 9 the 108, 12 6 the 72. So 180 centimeter cube. So you can write in the way that we will split this particular figure into two cuboids. So volume of cuboid 1 plus volume of cuboid 2 is volume of this particular solid. So just split, we have cut from here. So if this is 6, this will also be 6. This is 3, this is 3. 9 into 3 into 4, 6 into 4 into 3. Now next question. A swimming pool is 40 meter long, so this is the length of swimming pool, and 15 meter wide. It is shallow and deep ends 1.5 meter and 3 meter deep respectively. Find the amount of water in liters required to fill the swimming pool. Basically we have to find the volume of the swimming pool. So we have been provided the information length and width. So if this is 40, so width is 15 meter. Now basically which type of figure is this? We have given a cross section of swimming pool, and we know that this is a two lines are parallel and two lines are non-parallel. So this is trapezium. So first of all we will find the area of cross section, then we will multiply it with the width so as to find the volume of this swimming pool. Now volume will be in meter cube, but we are required to find water in liters, so we will change meter cube into liters. Area of cross section of swimming pool, that is half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. So distance between them is 14. Sum of parallel sides is 1.3 plus 3.1.5 plus 3. So on solving you will get 90 meters square. Then volume of swimming pool will be area of cross section multiplied by length. So that is area of cross section multiplied by length. Area of cross section is 90. Length is, this is 15 meter wide, so 15. So this will be 135 meter cube. So this is the volume. Now in 1 meter cube there are 1000 liters. So multiply by 1000 liter. So your answer will be this much liters. First of all, we've calculated the cross section, then cross section is multiplied with the length to find the volume, and that volume is converted into liters. Cross section of tunnel perpendicular to its length of is trapezium ABCD is shown. Okay, this cross section is shown. So AB is given, AB is 7, CD is 5, AM and BN are equal, height of tunnel is 2.4 and length is 40 meters. Cost of painting the internal surface of tunnel excluding floor at the rate 5 rupees 5 per meter square we have to calculate. It is given that AM is equal to AN. Now if this is 5, this will be also 5, and this complete AB is given 7. So this will be half 7 minus 5, which is equal to 1. This was 7, this is 5, so this length will, there will be twice of AM, so we have subtracted 7 minus 5, and this will be 2, and because it is divided into 2, so divide by 2. simply you can see 5, this is 5, this was 7, so this is 1 and 1. Now here we also require this length AD, so this is 90 degree, so we have to find AD. So AD square is equal to AM square plus MD square by Pythagoras theorem. AM is 1, MD is 2.4. Similarly, BC is also equal to AD. So from here AD is equal to under root of this 1 square is 1, 2.4 square, that is 576, 5.76. This is 6.76. Under root of 6.76 is 2.6. So length of AD we have calculated 2.6, which is also equal to BC. Now the first part is cost of painting the internal surface of the tunnel excluding floor. So we don't require this floor, but we need this surface. So first internal surface will be area of internal surface excluding floor is equal to AD plus DC plus BC multiply by length of tunnel. So AD plus DC plus CB multiply by length of tunnel. You can just put the values. AD we have calculated, BC we have calculated, DC is 5. So 2.6 plus 5 plus 2.6 multiply by length of the tunnel. Length of the tunnel is given 40 meter long. Just solve this. Okay, now for cost multiply this 408 meter square by 5. Okay, similarly you have to find the cost of paving the floor at the rate of 18 per meter square. So now this is the floor of tunnel. This length is 7 and tunnel is 40 meter long, so area of floor will be 7 into 40. Just multiply 7 into 40 into 18 to find the final cost. This will be your answer for the second part. Before doing next question, just read this point: flow of water. If water is flowing through pipe or canal of uniform cross section, if the particular pipe or canal is having uniform cross section, then the volume flow in unit time, that means 1 minute 1 second या 1 hour में कितना volume flow होगा. The volume of water flow in 1 minute 1 second or 1 hour, that is unit time, is equal to area of cross section of that particular pipe multiplied by speed of the flow. So multiplied by speed of flow of the water. So this is the volume of water flow in unit time. Now look at this question number 4. Water discharged from pipe of cross section 3.2 centimeter square at speed of 5 meter per second Now this is in meter per second, this is in centimeter square. Calculate the volume of this in centimeter per second and liter per minute. So these things we have to calculate. Okay, first part we have to calculate volume in centimeter cube per second. So you remember the volume formula of volume: area of cross section multiplied by speed of water. So area is given 3.2 centimeter square and speed is given 5 meter per second. Now this is in centimeter square and we are also have to find the volume in centimeter cube. So we will not change this, but this is 5 meters. So how many centimeter in 5 meter? 500. So we have just changed this. So this will be 160 centimeter cube. Sorry, 1600 centimeter cube. Then we multiply this. So this is the volume in centimeter cube per second. So this is volume in centimeter cube per second. Now we are also required to find, in the second part we have to find the volume in liter per minute. So again, area of cross section multiplied by speed. This is the formula. So centimeter cube multiplied by 5 meter per second. Okay, again formula is same, but we have also calculated in volume is 1600 centimeter cube, but this was in per seconds. So in 1 second 1600, and then we have to calculate in minute. That means we have to multiply it by 60. Now it will be in minutes. So 1 second में 1600 centimeter cube. Now in 6 minute means 60 seconds. So we multiply it by 60. So this will be per minute. Centimeter cube. Now we have to change this centimeter cube into liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So for changing this into liters, we will divide by 1000. So 96,000 upon 1000 liter per minute. This will be 96 liter per minute. So we have used just first point, that in 1 second this is the volume transferred, then in 1 minute this volume must be multiplied by 60. So this is the volume transferred. Now for changing it into liters, what we did, just divide it by 1000 so as to get 96 liters of volume will be transferred, because they are not talking about speed, they are just talking about volume. So we will write only liter. So this is the volume transferred per liter. Similarly, next question, the hose pipe of cross section 2 cm square delivers 1500 liter of water in 5 minutes. What is the speed of water in meter per second through this pipe? So speed we have to calculate in meter per second. It delivers 1500 liter in 5 minutes and area of cross section is given. Okay, area of cross section of pipe is given . 2 centimeter square. Now let the speed of water x, it is given in we have to require to find in meter per second, or we can say x into 100 centimeter per second, so 100x. So we have changed the speed of water into centimeter per second. Now in 5 minutes the volume transferred was 1500 liters. So if this is the cross section, this is the speed, volume in 5 minutes, volume transferred in 5 minutes will be area of cross section multiplied by speed multiplied by in 5 minutes time will be in seconds 5 multiplied by 60. So this is the volume transferred in 5 minutes. But in the question it is given that volume transferred is 1500 liter. So if I want to change this liter into centimeter cube, I will multiply it by 1000. That will be 3 more zeros. This now on comparing we will find the value of x. Therefore 6 is equal to 15. So therefore x is equal to on cutting 25 meter per second. So this is how we will solve this question. So area of cross section is given, speed we have considered in meter per second, so we have changed into centimeter per second. The volume, then according to this we have calculated the volume, so this was about 60,000 x. So now in the question volume was given 1500 liters, so on comparing we will get the value of x, which was in meter per second. So next questions we will do in the next video. Hope you understood the concepts. If you have any doubt in any question, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel.